Oh!
Sure.
So,
We're going to view the Death Star. It has a cloaking device that looks like a moon.
what the fuck? My camera's terrible, and it looks like I'm filming kids, like you said. But
Is that the...
that is the moon during the day again.
the... what do you call it?
Beautiful.
The Sea of Tranquility.
I don't know.
Can you see it from there? It's the grey part on the moon.
Well, with this camera I can't see shit, but with my own eyes that looks massive compared to
See,
this.
I've got books on the moon, but... See, on the about 2 o'clock, that'd be the Sea of Tranquility. Well, it should be. It's much like the Grand Canyon. It's a big fucking crater. Although there's no water on the moon. Oh, that's so clever. Who thought of that? Gold star for them. Motherfuckers. Well, no. Scientists are clever boys. If they name the shit, then that's alright. If it was the government, well, about half the government. Fucking government. Anywho, we're gonna go and eat some chips now, so better get the fuck out of here before we eat you too, Semper Fi. Let's go!